1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Triple step. We're going to show you everything you learned, and then you can mix and match. It goes walk, walk, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Triple step. 1, 2. Make sure you practice these push breaks a lot. This is the foundation. But then when you're ready, you can give her that extra sauce. I've been DJ JohnPaul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Grab your partner right back to where you came from. We're going to use a song to practice. You can do it in any order you want.